Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, and if you're watching this, you didn't participate in the live lesson. So today for science, we're going to talk about seasons and patterns of weather. So I want you to think about, so right now the season is spring. Maybe not necessarily physically right now, but think about it being springtime. Then I want you to pretend you are planning a vacation for the month of July. What items would you pack to take on your vacation? Draw a picture of what your suitcase would look like and what clothes you would pack. Write 2 sentences to describe the weather you would hope to have on your vacation. So I've included a video about the seasons. So if you want to watch that video about the seasons, it describes seasons, what kind of weather you would typically have in each season. So when you're doing this, I want to think you to think about vacationing in the United States, since that weather is typically in the summer it's warm, the fall it kind of gets cooler, winter is colder, and then the spring it kind of starts to warm up. So I want you to think about vacationing in the United States and where you would go. When you're planning your vacation, I want you to say where you're going to go. For example, I go on vacation a lot to Florida. Usually it's in the fall time because it's cooler in the fall. Explain what items you would pack on that vacation and then draw a picture of your suitcase and what the clothes you would look like you would pack, and then write 2 sentences to describe the weather you hope to have while you're there. And when you are done with this product, make sure you are sending it to your teacher, whether it be text, email, Class Dojo, or Parent Square. Again, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to any of us. We'll see you next time.